Did you know that high quality cobblestones, when well installed on your driveway, can increase the value of your home by 10%? And today, me and Rhys from RBG Landscapes are going to show you how to create beautiful and functional cobblestone driveway that will last for years. Hey guys, it's another one, me and Rhys together at this beautiful project in Mossman. We're working today with Lorax cobblestones, and I just want to ask Rhys what he thinks about cobblestones and why cobblestones, Rhys.
And we find these cobblestones suitable for all aspects of outdoor areas, including pathways, footpaths, driveways, but in particular here at Project Mossman, we find these cobbles really suitable for a driveway for many reasons. Number one would be the vehicle traffic. Number two would be the strength and the durability. As you can see here with the mesh backing system, it actually makes the cobbles quite easy to install and keeps them locked in a very tight unit with a silicon-based structure on the back for easy application and for durability for a car with the turning circle with tyres and weight distribution.
What do you like about installing cobblestones overall?
They're a natural split finish. They're all very consistent. The main look of cobblestones, as a lot of people know from the olden days, is a very consistent kind of large grout joint. And as you can see here, it's a nice consistent 10mm joint throughout the cobblestone, where we've found in the past a lot of them can be quite tight or quite large, which also makes an easy installation a little bit more of a nightmare. But with these cobblestones that you've supplied here on this project in Mossman, we find them just an absolute breeze to install, and at the end of the day they look amazing, as you can see here.
Yeah, oh, thank you. Can you tell me a little bit about what sort of installation materials you use?
Yeah, of course. We always use premium cement-based tile adhesive. When installing the cobblestones, we prefer to install them on a reinforced concrete footing. We, as a team at RBG Landscapes, we generally undertake the reinforced concrete work ourselves. So we will install a 140mm thick reinforced concrete slab under a compacted road-based footing, which allows for the movement and the structural integrity for a driveway to the Australian standards. We then install the cobblestones with a 15mm notch trowel directly adhered to the reinforced slab using a premium glue called Ardex X with an E90 additive combined, which makes that glue an S2, which is classified for vehicle rated crossings. We then choose to seal with an Aquamix Pro Block, which is a pre-sealer, before we grout, because as you can see here with these cobblestones, they're very, very dense and very, very porous. With the natural split finish, it does make it quite hard to sponge and clean, and a few of the boys have had some fun times trying to clean the surface off with them not being sealed. So we use an Aquamix Pro Block pre-sealer. We then pre-grout sealer, correct. Then when we grout, we use a product called Ardex WJ, which stands for wide joints, which can be grouted up to 50mm. You can get that in a range of colors from light gray, mid-gray, white, and charcoal. We've used light gray here, as you can see, on this beautiful project in Mossman. After the cobblestones are installed and grouted, we then follow through with a final seal, and that final seal is using Aquamix Sealer's Choice Gold, which is a penetrating sealer which goes onto the surface, 2 coats applied, which will penetrate in through the surface of the stone and will also penetrate in through the surface of the grout.
So if you need help installing cobblestones or any other external stone products, reach out to Rhys from RBG Landscapes. And if you need help selecting stone products for your next project, please reach out to Team Armstone and we'll be happy to help you.